In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to increase the font size on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accessibility on the left panel, and then on the right side underneath vision, select text size. And then you can drag the text size scroll bar to the right to make it appear larger. Select apply to confirm your settings, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.